everyone! Welcome back to another Sparkin STEM Virtual Experiment. My name is Melon and today we'll be doing a simple yet fun experiment. We'll be doing the milk art experiment. As I conduct the experiment, feel free to follow along with me. So let's get started. The materials you'll be needing for this experiment are some cotton swabs, a glass plate, milk, some dish soap, and finally, food coloring. So let's get started. The first step is to pour some milk into the plate. Try not to move the plate as much because you want the milk to be as still as possible. Next, you want to put 1 drop of different food colorings into the milk. Now, this is all up to you and your creativity. Now, to make things easier, pour a small amount of dish soap into a bowl. Then, use a cotton swab and surround the cotton swab with a little dish soap. Now, when you're ready, using your cotton swab, touch one of the colors and ta-da! As you can see, the food coloring is creating a sort of dance. You can now do whatever you like with this and create a masterpiece of your own. So why did this happen? What was the reasoning or the science behind this experiment? Well, this experiment demonstrates the idea of surface tension. When you add a drop of food coloring into the milk, it is prevented from spreading around because of all the strong forces between the milk molecules. But when you add dish soap, this is not the case. Dish soap lowers the attraction between the milk molecules, allowing the molecules to freely move around. Dish soap is composed of large chains of hydrogen and carbon atoms, which help to separate the milk molecules apart. At the same time, the dish soap reacts with the fat in the milk, causing it to change shape. While all of this is occurring, the food coloring is caught up in the excitement, which allows it to also move around along with the milk. But why does it still work when I add more dish soap? And why does the reaction stop towards the end? This is because if there are still fat molecules in the milk that have not reacted with the dish soap, you will still continue to see movement. Eventually, the milk and the soap will reach equilibrium. This phenomenon is also seen in a few insects. For example, a water strider, when they're walking on water. They use surface tension to their advantage by repelling the water molecules, so they're able to stand on the water's surface. Be sure to send in a picture of your amazing piece of milk artwork using the Google form found in the video description below. Doing so will enter you in a draw to win a prize. All you need to do is send in a video or photo of you performing this experiment, as well as answer the mandatory questions. Also, if you complete and submit the forms from all the experiments posted on our YouTube channel by August 29th, you will get a special shout out on our final video of the month. Don't forget, the more experiments you do, the better chance you have of winning the prize, as each form is one name in the ballot. So be sure to try all of the experiments. This concludes this week's experiment. If you had fun, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to come back next week for another amazing experiment. See you next time!